What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're going to be doing another split cup pour. In the comments of my last split cup pour, you guys asked me to do the primary colors. So I have a red, a blue, a yellow. They're both all no silicone, and they're mixed 3 parts Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint. I do have a titanium white. I had an idea I was going to separate the colors a little bit. These colors don't mix well together, so having another barrier color will really help so they don't create mud. But with that, let's start layering this cup. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a great time here. I love the heat, I love the people, the culture. Everything about Phoenix is amazing. All right, so we got blue, yellow, red. I am going to try to have a thin layer of white going across the top of most of it. I don't want it to churn. I'm not trying to create new colors if I can avoid it. I'm trying to keep the stream really thin. I can't see all the way down deep into the cup, so there's probably going to be some spots that don't have white, and that's okay. It's mainly just as a barrier. So I'm going to take the blue and put it over the yellow in the cup. And we're just going to get the rest of this in there. But yeah, just living everything day to day out here in Phoenix and just having a great time. I love it here. How's everybody doing? It's been a little while since I've painted. I'm happy to be doing it again. It is what I actually enjoy a lot. It is truly a therapy for me, you guys. So I got this 3-chambered one, but I also, at Michael's, they have one that has 6 chambers. So I'm excited to use that, or 7. 7? Yep, 7. I'm excited to use that at some point. 7's a lot, though. I try to limit my color usage to maybe 3 at the most. 4 sometimes if I'm really pushing it. But let's start this. Trying to get everything out at the same time, which doesn't look like it's gonna want to cooperate. I can take myself to the center, and there we go. Something about the split cup and spinning it, I don't know, I really like the look of it. Even if I change directions. Something about it that it's very peaceful. I think I'm going to do this and just continue to change directions with it. Make some really interesting composition. So it makes almost like a yin and yang symbol, which is pretty cool. Colors are staying really sharp and defined so far. For those of you that have done quite a few, straight pours or ring pours, as the colors continue to churn in the cup, by pouring them out, they do sometimes get muddy or lose their, you know, color. They start blending with each other. But so far, the colors are doing really good together. Curious to see what happens when the colors all start to flip. Because I filled half of each chamber with different colors. I think I'm starting to see a little white coming out. So we gotta be getting close to that point. Yep, and it's coming now. It's actually lightening up that blue. That's pretty cool. So where in the world are you watching this video from? I would love to know in the comments. And I am currently working on an e-course. Kind of like a beginner's introduction. It's suited for beginners and intermediate artists. But how many of you would be interested in that? It does take a lot of time and preparation to do something like that. But I definitely want to share whatever knowledge I have with you guys. Because I truly believe that this art form saved me. And if it can save somebody else, that would be wonderful. Or if it's just somebody that wants to create more interesting pours or, you know, learn more about the techniques. But it is an idea that I've wanted to do for a while. And now that this is my full-time, I have the time to do it. So I'm very excited about it. This looks so cool. Oh, we're getting some reds coming out again. There we go. That's amazing. Such a cool little shift of colors there. Beautiful. If you've got a specific technique or style or question that you would want answered, I'd like to read those in the comments. So I'm probably going to start having a list of the questions you guys ask and trying to respond to it during the videos. Because I get a lot of comments, you guys. I try my best to respond to all of them. But I know that I don't always get to all of them. But maybe talking about you guys' questions while I'm doing pours would help. Man, this looks really cool so far. Now I just gotta stop the stream without messing it up. Sound effects were included. Let me wipe my hand off with this towel. That's the best way I've found to stop the stream, is to just put my hand in front of it. That way I don't risk drips. Putting a coat down so that the paints can slide. Oh man. That looks so nice. that's almost dead center. I don't think I really want to shift it too much. All right, well, without further ado, let's spin this bad boy out. See what happens. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. I'm stopping it. Oh wow, those colors though. We got all kinds of amazing things going on in there. I love that. Dang. All right, well, woo. Let me bring you guys down and check this thing out. Pretty cool. This thing kind of reminds me of one of those like lollipops or something you get as a kid. I mean, it looks like pure candy. I don't know. Maybe I'm hungry. Really love some of the stuff these colors did together. The center is really wicked looking. This one came out so simple yet so elegant and stunning. All with just primary colors. Red, blue, yellow. Created some really nice composition.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.